Rain, cooler temperatures, you name it.
And the good news, Ryan, we're going to get both this upcoming week, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. Probably by about Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll see both move in. A chance at rain and some cooler air. But yes, cross your fingers because we do desperately need it. We're in bad drought, extreme to exceptional here in San Antonio, and we do need it. Now let's talk about today, though. 100 degrees was the high temperature this afternoon. 103 was the record. So we didn't beat the record, and average is 93. So despite that, it was still very hot today, warmer than average, and that makes it 21 days total this year for 2022. We've hit 100 degrees or more. Now, what's the largest number? What's the most we've ever hit in 1 year? 59 times back in 2009, 57 times back in 2011. And while we're not on the top 5 yet, it's still the 5th day of summer. We still have the end of June, July, and August, and even to early September to catch up. And I do think we do that just because it's already been so hot so far this year. All right, 90 at the airport, 89 at Stinson. It is quiet, though. We have, luckily, a breeze moving between 15 and 20 miles an hour, but still 90 degrees out at 10 o'clock at night. 91 at Castroville, 90 at Hondo. We have middle 80s across Bandera County, 87 at Randolph. We have 91 at Cotulla. Hot spot at this time, at this hour, 93 at Eagle Pass towards our west and southwest. Tomorrow's forecast, a lot similar. I mean, very similar. You can see very hot tomorrow, 100 degrees, maybe a few cumulus clouds in the morning hours. Otherwise, it's going to be a clear sunny day, wall-to-wall sunshine. 93 degrees is the average. Will be about 7 to 8 degrees above that tomorrow. But here comes the relief. Out north across the plains and even across the panhandle of Texas is a very weak cold front. And you can see ahead of it 90s in the state of Texas, 60s behind this cold front. And this front will dive farther south and approach and push through San Antonio and the I-10 corridor Monday morning, Monday afternoon. Now, after it pushes through, it'll stall somewhere between here and Corpus Christi, and the combination between this frontal boundary, the lift in the air, and a tropical system from the east will aid in the combination at some pretty good rainfall chances between here and Houston and the coastal bend. Now, in the meantime, here is the list of hurricane names for the 2022 season. Alex was already used. It was a tropical system that moved through the Florida panhandle earlier this month. Next name on the list is Bonnie and Colin, and it looks like we'll get Bonnie in the coming days for this tropical system right here. A group of thunderstorms with the Hurricane Center is designating Invest 94L, basically a disorganized area of low pressure that'll move into the Caribbean next week, has a pretty good chance at becoming Bonnie. However, there is something in the Gulf of Mexico right off the coast of Florida that'll move farther west. It'll retrograde is what we call it and move towards the Texas Gulf Coast by Monday, and that will give us a pretty good chance at rain with that front moving through Monday night, Tuesday night, and then also into Wednesday evening. And it looks like the bulk of rainfall will be east, but San Antonio could cash in on up to about a ½ inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch of rainfall between Monday and Thursday of next week. So pretty good rain chances, not all at once, but we'll take it, and some cooler air as well. 7-day forecast, 100 tomorrow, 98 on Monday, and look at those rain chances and that cooler air. 91 on Tuesday, 90 on Wednesday, and about 92 on Thursday.